In this video, we're going to talk about a millionaire mindset. And do you have one? And I have a quiz that I want you to take. It just takes a few minutes of your time and it really gets your mindset in the right frame of mind when it talks about money and becoming a millionaire. And I'm going to go over the quiz with you here in a few minutes. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to this video today. And this is the place to be to grow your brand and grow your bank account. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. So let's go ahead and dive it in because you know what time it is. Okay, let me show you the screen about the Millionaire Mindset Quiz. It's a couple of questions and I'm going to go over these with you right now. Just me and you together. So let me show you the screen right now. Now this is the Millionaire Mindset. Do you have one? 2-minute quiz. Click on the link below to get access to this quiz. It's really short and it's really fun because it kind of gets you in that mind frame, interested look and feel of a millionaire, because I know you want to be a millionaire because you clicked on this video. So let's go ahead and start the quiz together. So let's start with question number 1. Wealthy people are more likely to be honest. So I'm going to go over the quiz with you and you can answer these questions the way you perceive these answers are. So I'm going to go ahead and answer these questions. Wealthy people are more likely to be dishonest. Do you believe that? Do you think wealthy people are more likely to be dishonest? So start thinking about it before you take the quiz. Don't forget you can click on the link below. I think it's probably about neutral. I mean, there's good wealthy people and there's dishonest wealthy people. So absolutely. If I can only make enough money to pay off my debt, I would be happy. Would you be happy if you can pay off your debt if you have enough money? I think I'm happy regardless. So if I can make enough money to pay off my debt, I'd be happy. I'm happy regardless. Even if I can't pay the debt or not, but I think if I was in bad debt, I'm gonna say neutral because I'm happy regardless. I believe we have the ability to shape our future. I 100% agree with that. I hope you agree with that as well. If you don't, that's okay. Don't forget, you can click on the link below to take the quiz together. I would give money to charity, but only after I've made enough for myself. I will give money to charity even if I don't have enough money. So I'm going to disagree with that. But only. I tend to focus mostly on the things I don't have instead of the things I do have. Think about that. Think about that question because this question was asked to me about 3 days ago. I tend to focus mostly on the things I don't have instead of the things I do have. I most likely focus on the things that I do have and I can take advantage of. And I try not to worry about the things I don't have. I'm going to actually disagree on that. I can become very wealthy and remain the same person I am today. I agree because I'm happy regardless. That's why you work on your mindset. That's what you work on things of you, because money, yes, it can solve some problems in your life. It can give you, it can give you some positive, good things in your life. But it's about you working on yourself and give more. To me, giving more actually helps me. Giving more, not only financial things, but just giving, my heart, giving my time, giving, just a handout, a hug could be, something you can give to somebody if someone needs it. I'm gonna put yes on there. I understand that success comes with hard work and believe I can be successful. Yes, I want you to believe that as well. So you're not believing in that, then I want you to really look in deep inside yourself. Why can you not be successful with hard work and the belief that I can be successful? Let's put agree. And the final question, I believe that mindset and determination play a huge part in being successful. Absolutely. This quiz is a mindset millionaire quiz, 2-minute quiz. And think about this, the more powerful that mind is and the determination and that fire that you have inside you, the more successful you're going to be. Click on next. Now what happens is the next page here, you put your name and then you put your email in this little column, and you get your results from there. And then from here, you'll get to a page that's right here, and it helps you get you the next step in the process. Now, this part right here is a step-by-step training of how you can make money online and how you can really have the life that you always wanted. And just go, it's only $7. Just let you know that this part here can really be the next step towards that millionaire mindset. So just let you know, click on the link below and you'll have that as well. That's a little bit of an extra that goes along the quiz. Now, I want you to do the quiz right below the video. Click on the link below. After the quiz, watch the video about step-by-step training of how you can make money online through Heal. Now, the video training here is very, very step-by-step, and I want you to take that seriously, just like you do the quiz as well. Now, you're probably thinking, oh man, I did this quiz. Now you're trying to get me to do another step in the process in terms of a step-by-step training. No, I'm not. I'm just letting you know let you know what's all the opportunity that goes along with it. Take that millionaire quiz, take it seriously, and then watch the other page so you can learn how your next step of the process. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Click on the link below, take that 2-minute quiz, and then watch that video step-by-step training that can really help you out today. And also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because this is the place to be to grow your business and grow your bank account, or grow your brand. I mean, grow your brand and grow your bank account. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Take that millionaire quiz, click on the link below. I'll see you on the next video.